Are you looking for an affordable graphics card that can handle gaming at 1080p? Or maybe you're a creative hoping to boost your CAD and editing capabilities? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Stick around as we dive into the world of the maxsun AMD Radeon RX 550 4GB graphics card to see if it's truly worth your consideration. I'm Brian from the Inspect Aspect, and today we'll be reviewing the maxsun AMD Radeon RX 550 4GB GDR5 ITX graphics card. Whether you're a gamer, a video editor, or someone who just wants smoother rendering for your design work, this card claims to deliver efficient performance across the board. But let's unpack both the strengths and weaknesses to see if it truly lives up to the hype. It supports DirectX 12, which is a game changer for modern gaming and software applications. DirectX 12 optimizes performance by allowing better multi-threading, making the most out of your CPU, and providing smoother gameplay and quicker rendering times in graphic-intensive tasks. The card features a boost clock of up to 1183 MHz and 4 GB of GDDR5 memory with a speed of 6,900 MHz. This combination allows for quick data processing and makes it feasible to play most games at 1080p with good frame rates. Whether you're working on 3D models or taking a break to game, you'll likely notice the responsiveness. The unique 9cm fan design provides low noise while offering tremendous airflow. If you're sensitive to sound, or if your PC sits in a shared space, you'll appreciate the quiet operation during intensive tasks or gaming sessions, making your environment much more pleasant. Notably, the card is built with a silver-plated PCB and all-solid capacitors, which help maintain lower temperatures and improve overall efficiency. This means that not only do you get stability during prolonged usage, but it can also extend the lifespan of the graphics card itself, providing you with a better return on investment. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's discuss some drawbacks. The RX 550, while capable at 1080p, may struggle with more demanding titles at higher settings. Users expecting ultra settings and exceptional performance in the latest RDA games may find themselves disappointed. It's essential to temper expectations when considering this budget-oriented card. Additionally, while it excels in lower power consumption, the performance can lag behind newer models in the same price range. For those seeking future-proofing their builds, this card may not keep pace with upcoming games or software requiring higher processing power. Another point to consider is the limited VRAM of 4GB. While it's adequate for current 1080p gaming, it may not provide the headroom for more demanding applications or multitasking workflows as high-resolution textures and assets become more common. Lastly, the RX 550 relies on available PCI Express slots, making it less ideal for compact builds without sufficient slots or cooling. If you're working on a small form factor, ensure you have the space available before committing to this card. So, how do we sum it all up? On the Inspect Aspect scale, I would give the maxsun AMD Radeon RX 550 a solid 7 out of 10. It's a competent card for budget-conscious gamers and those in creative fields seeking decent capabilities for 1080p workloads. While it does have limitations, it offers substantial value in its category. Would I recommend it? Absolutely, but with the caveat that buyers should know what they are getting into. It's best suited for moderate gaming and creative tasks rather than cutting-edge performance. If you're interested in purchasing or exploring the best deals, check the link on the screen or in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep inspecting.